Unveiling the 2025 Ram Ramcharger, the unique blend of electric and combustion power. In the rapidly evolving landscape of electric pickup trucks, Ram has taken an intriguing stance with the introduction of the 2025 Ram Ramcharger. Nestled between the conventional 2025 Ram 1500 with a downsized inline-six engine and an upcoming all-electric truck, the Ramcharger stands out with a distinct approach to assuage range anxiety and towing apprehensions in the electric vehicle EV domain. The standout feature of the Ramcharger is its utilization of a gasoline engine, not to propel the wheels directly, but to power the battery. This range extender strategy mirrors approaches seen in earlier models like the Chevrolet Volt and BMW i3. Unlike its predecessors, the Ramcharger adopts a unique twist, with no direct mechanical path from the engine to the wheels, according to Ram. Boasting an estimated range of 690 miles and surpassing the Ford F-150 Lightning and Chevrolet Silverado EV in towing and payload capacity. The Ramcharger appears to present a compelling option for a particular segment of buyers. One pivotal question emerges. Why did Ram opt for a 3.6-liter V6 to power the onboard 130 kW generator instead of, for instance, Stellantis 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo engine? According to Ram spokesperson Trevor Dorkes, the choice is rooted in the necessity to deliver ample power for towing and hauling. The 3.6-liter V6 aligns with the capability and durability requirements for towing, ensuring that both battery and generator power come into play during demanding situations. Dorkes also shed light on the consideration of noise, vibration, and harshness NVH, emphasizing the desire for a smooth and seamless experience. The 3.6-liter V6 emerged as the optimal choice for maintaining NVH standards, providing a refined and quiet operation even when the generator is running. Regarding the impressive payload and towing ratings of the Ramcharger compared to its competitors, Dorkes attributed this to the truck's new platform. The 2025 Ramcharger utilizes the all-new STLA frame platform designed explicitly for full-size electric vehicles with a body-on-frame design, allowing for enhanced towing and payload capabilities. While there are still unanswered questions about the official EPA-rated range, fuel economy with the V6 engine, and tailpipe emissions, the Ramcharger undeniably stands as a remarkably interesting entrant in the electric truck realm. With features like vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-home bidirectional charging, it appears poised to appeal to truck loyalists, potentially steering them towards embracing electric mobility. As more details unfold in the coming months, insights from Ram's engineers could offer a deeper understanding of the innovative workings of the Ramcharger.